Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I did not upload video on Monday, but because it was a long weekend and I was hanging out with my mother-in-law and family time is important. So I'm actually in Alabama right now, and even though the temperature is a little bit warmer than Germany, but it's still really cold and windy, and I think they use chlorine in the water, so my skin is really dry. That's why I'm gonna share my update skincare routine with you guys. So if you want to see, then keep on watching. And if you are new here, my name is Chatsiri, or Chat for short, and I am living in Germany, but right now I'm in the US. And I'm from Thailand. So you know, Asian being in cold country. So the first thing is, I actually picked this up yesterday because I ran out of my toner that I got from my Instagram Secret Santa, and I will link that video down below. This is Murad Resurgence Hydrating Toner. Low focus, there we go. I think this one was 30 bucks. Yeah, I think so. I was in Sephora, but it's kind of small. It's in JCPenney, and they will not have so many choice for toner. So it was either this one or the Peter Thomas Roth, and that one has like bad alcohol in it. This one doesn't have alcohol, but it has fragrance. So if I have to pick between the skincare that has bad alcohol or the skincare that has fragrance, I would choose the fragrance over, because bad alcohol is just not good for the skin. And this one doesn't have bad scent. I kind of like it. It's like rosy kind of scent. So what I'm gonna do is I will spray this into the cotton pad. Sometimes I just spray, actually last night I sprayed all over my face and I wipe it, but I figured this is easier. And I just wipe on my face. Who's excited for Valentine's Day? I used to be so excited for that when I was a teenager. You know, I was hoping maybe some guy will have a crush on me and will confess to me on the Valentine's Day. But no, that never happened. But now I'm married, so no point being excited, I think. Unless they might have some, I don't know, makeup discount on Valentine's Day, then I'm excited for that. Yeah, my skin is really dry around this area. I feel like it's stinging, and because I have allergy all the time, so I blow my nose and I wipe, and tissue will like kind of like rub this area, so it's kind of sensitive area. Next step is, I did not bring any essence with me, so I'm just gonna skip that step. So next is the eye cream, and I have been using this along with my husband. This is the Origin anti-aging eye treatment. I love the like earthy scent in this one. And then last step before, if I need to put on makeup, if not, that's finished. So last step depends on if I'm going out or not. If I'm going out, I will put on the L'Oreal Revitalift sunscreen 25 SPF. If I'm not going out, I will use the normal moisturizer, and the one that I have now is the Filorga Lip Structure. This one also from my Secret Santa from Instagram. And I think today I'm not going out, so I'm just gonna go ahead using this one. my morning skincare routine is pretty simple. At least when I'm here anyway, because I did not bring a lot of product with me. Mostly just makeup. If you notice, I always put the product on my neck too, because neck always get old when you're older. And the last but not least, it's a little bit of lip balm, and this is the Sol de Janeiro. Pardon my pronunciation because I have no idea how to read this brand, but I hope I was right. It's the Brazilian Kiss something lip butter. They smell so good. My caramel popcorn. I also got this from my Instagram secret Santa. But you know, I actually start to think that beside the amazing scent, this one doesn't do much. Like, I have to reapply throughout the day like many times. So yeah, if you guys want to see my nighttime update skincare routine, then leave me the comment down below and I will be happy to show it to you guys. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me doing skincare, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.